I bet you didn't know how setting the right personal goals can transform your life. In this video, I'll break down 10 powerful personal goal examples to help you level up in different areas of life, so you can take action today and start seeing real progress. And if you want more guidance on designing a life that excites you, my book Visionary Confidence was created out of the very same formula I used to get out of a rut and get excited again. It's in the description, so go check that out. First up, let's talk about personal growth. If you want to level up, you have to invest in yourself. Here are 2 goals to start with. Read 1 life-changing book a month. Instead of scrolling endlessly, commit to reading 1 book per month on success, mindset, or skill building. Just 1 book can completely shift your perspective. Nothing will transform your life more consistently than reading. A good book can be a whole new level up for you, so imagine what 12 a year will do. Develop a morning routine that sets the tone. Mornings set the foundation for your day. Design a routine that includes movement, journaling, or even 5 minutes of quiet reflection. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m., and it's not about having a routine that's 3 hours long either. It's about starting the day with intention. Intending to have a certain kind of day is the first step to actually having it. What's probably the most comprehensive influence on life other than your health? Money. Skill up, learn something that pays you more. What's one high-value skill that could increase your income? Whether it's coding, copywriting, public speaking, or starting a YouTube channel, commit to learning it this year. Expand your network. Meet 1 new person a month. Success isn't just about what you know, it's about who you know. Set a goal to connect with 1 new mentor, business contact, or like-minded individual each month. Go to events and talk to people. The world is very cruel to people who isolate themselves. If you want a better life, you'll need to be extroverted for a portion of it. Your next big opportunity could come from a single conversation. Your body is your vehicle for life. Take care of it. Here are some must-have health goals. Find out all the nasty crap that companies put in our food and stop eating it. Find out how much sleep you need and get it. Make sure you get enough movement every day and enough sunlight. Those are simple things to do that don't require that much time. You just need to make an effort to include them. No time for the gym? No problem. Walk, stretch, or do bodyweight exercises. The goal is simple, just move. Money isn't everything, but financial freedom gives you options. Here are 2 financial goals that will set you up for success. Save your first or next $10,000. If you don't have an emergency fund, make this a priority. Start small. $5 a day adds up to over $1,800 in a year. Create 1 new income stream. Relying on 1 income source is risky. Whether it's freelancing, investing, or a side hustle, set a goal to diversify how you make money. There are YouTubers who are rich now by reacting to other people's videos. The money is out there, and you're allowed to get a slice for yourself, but not if you don't find something to do and start. If you don't know where to start or what to start, my course Visionary Confidence is in the description and takes care of that for you. Alright, next up is about connections. Life is about connections. Strengthen your relationships with these 2 goals. Be fully present in 1 key relationship. Put your phone down, listen more, make time. Strengthening just 1 relationship, whether it's with a friend, partner, or family member, can dramatically increase your happiness. Give more than you take. Commit to 1 act of kindness a week. This could be as simple as sending a thoughtful message, helping a stranger, or surprising someone with a small gift. The more you give, the more fulfilled you'll feel. Alright, that's all I have for right now. Hopefully, you got some clarity about what's possible, what's important, and maybe you even had some ideas stir up in your imagination while I was talking. Write those down and think about them. They might lead you somewhere. Ultimately, being excited about life is about following a big dream. What's the biggest life you could have, and what's the first step to moving toward that? Make sure to like and share this video, and also check the description and pick up your copy of my Dream Building Formula. Remember, small steps today lead to massive results tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.